Welcome back to Saturday. It's currently 3:24, which means very soon we're going to be going out. We're going to be doing that train and fish and chip thing. That's going to be a little while yet. We still got a little bit. I've just edited off yesterday's video. It was a little bit more edited and a little bit more polished than a lot of the other videos. You may have also noticed I've toned down the volume because the volume on this... Yeah, I'm sorry, I've been deafening you, and I do apologise, so I'll do my best to edit better. Hopefully you enjoyed it, because the vlog's up. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. The link to that card is up there. But welcome back to vlog 170. In yesterday's video and this morning I kind of mentioned that we're going to be going on a steam train. I've seen a diesel so far, but we're here. Welcome to Nene Valley Railway Station. And actually I can see the diesel from here. That one just there.
Wasn't expecting it. And nobody was waiting on this side, I think.
And your walker's in there.
Friend's going to be on this side.
Oh, is it? Didn't bring
is it?
it.
Oh, okay.
Bye-bye. It's got a yellow nose. Oh.
Ben was on that side, bless him, yeah.
So we're about to reload the train back on, and then we're going to be having our fish supper. Now, here's the thing. This whole fish supper was meant to actually happen next month, but unfortunately I kind of booked the wrong date. But the website did say June, so hence the reason why we came today. The good news is, don't have to worry too much. I am going to watch them couple up, and then it'll be getting back on and then heading back down. That there is the buffet car, which allows you to go and get some food, allows you to go and get some drinks, and yeah, but so far, not. Actually a bad little locomotive. Unfortunately the steam, there was too much fire risk happening earlier on, so unfortunately we got this diesel. But then again, a diesel is still a diesel, and a train is still a train where you can have fish and chips on. But yeah, now he's just going to couple up down there, get everything all connected. Once that's done, we'll be ready to head off and head back towards, I believe, Wandsworth and a bit further on as well. So a bit more going on, but this afternoon it's time for some fish and chips. Gotta love it. By the looks of things, the fish and chips are just being served right now. So here we go. Yes. Time for the fish supper. And Jean's very pleased.
I am, as long as it won't turn round and go back that way.
Yeah.
Once again, a lovely bit of fish and chips. good news about this place is that it is very disabled friendly. Of course, they have a ramp to be able to get on and off. If you guys like what you saw today in today's video, then why not go check out Nene Valley Railway. They're down in Peterborough, and that was the Jolly Fisherman. These are the answers to the questions that were happening in yesterday's vlog. Tomorrow, probably a pub and walk.